আরওয়া সাবাহাত। ইংরেজি কবিতা আবৃত্তি ক গ্রুপে এবারের প্রতিযোগী নাহিদ আহমেদ সানজিদ। প্রস্তুত থাকবে আরওয়া সাবাহাত।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naid Ahmed Sanjid. I am in class 4. The title of my poem is Boats Sail on the Rivers, written by Christina Georgina Rossetti. Boats sail on the rivers and sheep sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the woe that bridges heaven and overthrow the trees and wheels a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nahiid Ahmed Sanjid.